Alright, so for the weekly clean, we do the milk system first, the same thing that we do for the daily clean, but then we're going to do a full clean of the machine. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Most of that is just the machine doing its thing. So you don't really have to babysit it once you drop the tablet in. I'll show you how to do that. First thing we're going to do is mix up some more cleaning solution. And this time we're going to put a bit more water in, because what we're going to do is tear down the milk system in the machine, in the spout, and give everything a nice soak.
So that was about 25 ml of this cleaning solution?
15 mils.
Oh, 15 ml, sorry.
Same as what you normally use for the daily clean.
And then we've got water up to...
Just doesn't have to be an exact measurement. Just have a decent amount of water in there so that everything will fit. So for this, to break this down, the spout has these two tabs here. Push them, slide it off, open this up. So the milk hose, the milk line comes first. This just pulls straight out, and detach it from here and drop it in the bucket. Same with the milk hose here. Detach it, drop it in the bucket. This is the part that always gets people. They don't know how to pull this apart or tear it back down. First thing you do is pull this straight down, it comes out, drop it in the bucket, grab this, pull it out, and now this splits into 4 pieces. So this piece on top, pull straight out, drop it in the bucket. This piece is the one that people always never can figure out where it goes. This is the aerator for the frother. Comes out like that, drop it in the bucket. And then in the back we have another piece. Again, pull straight out, and then drop them all in the bucket. And we want to do the cartridge for the milk system. So pull the spout up, or pull the tab up, this comes out. Now there's 2 tabs here and here. You just push those in and it should come apart like that. So we just pull this off, drop it in the bucket, pull the hoses off.
2 hoses.
2 hoses, drop them in the bucket. We actually only use one of them, but it's just easier to have them both in there. Drop that in. Now that only needs to soak for about 10 minutes, so we don't need to really leave it over the weekend. But while all that's soaking, we'll start the full cleaning for the milk, or for the machine. Put the spout back on.
How did you make it make that noise?
By putting the spout back on.
Okay.
All right. So again, we go up to the top to the P button. 0, 0, 0, 0. This time we're going to go to this one on the top left, clean. We hit that. Approximate duration 20 minutes. Go ahead and start. Start. Empty coffee grounds container. Now we've just done this, and again, our machine doesn't actually have the coffee grounds. They drop through, but you still have to do this to get through the thing. So you pull the thing out all the way, and then stick it back in. Now sometimes I'll just pull it out a little way and it doesn't actually register that the thing is out, so you have to pull it all the way out. Press the rotary switch.
The middle button was that?
Yep. Slide this down because it's going to spray stuff everywhere. It'll start some cleaning for 3 or 4 minutes maybe, and then it'll prompt you to add the tablet. It's just rinsing out the coffee system now.
Shall I pause it?
Yeah.